पे कौन बैठता है? I love you guys. Okay, let's hear it for Sushant Sriram, everyone. Thank you, Sushant. Now, Aparna is taking a break because she just needs to go and do some push-ups, pull-ups, just get ready. But with that uncanny ability to make the right pick at the right time, this man who's coming up on stage next, he has found more hidden gems than an Instagram influencer.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Anand Pooja.
Thank you, congratulations.
Vidi.
Thank you so much.
Genuinely, I think India has the youngest, most athletic, most gifted action star. I don't think so any other country can boast of that. And I genuinely mean that mantle, only you deserve Tiger in our country. Until baby John arrived. That's very sweet of you. But genuinely, even I'm a fan of all your moves. I'm a fan of this franchise, so I'm really looking forward to this. Tiger, I know you do all your stunts yourself. He's one of the rare actors who actually does हर stunt खुद करते हैं, चोट भी खाते हैं. Oh, this looks amazing. मतलब ये पूरी सीधी टाली वाली पिक्चर लग रही है. Since I have Ahan and Pooja here on stage, I want to ask this new couple on Cellulite, what should people expect from your jodi and what should they expect from this film?
I think the title teaser kind of gave you a little bit of what to expect. But I think it's going to be a roller coaster.
So in the gym, you always recover, you do everything to the T. But the biggest stunt of it all, how does a woman make her place in your heart? And are you single?
I've been very introverted and shy growing up all my life. I had my first girlfriend at the age of 25. And
25?
Yeah, and that's actually thanks to my producer, Sajan Yadyadwar. She happened to have auditioned for one of my films, my debut film, and that's how I met her. So thanks to Sajan sir, I got my first girlfriend.
Kriti Sanon.
उसके बाद
Kriti, I love you. She's a very close friend. I'm sorry, I'm not going to get you. It's a joke. It's a joke. It's a joke. But I have to say, I'm really looking forward to this. हो या संकी ना हो, सोच समझ के जवाब दीजिएगा क्योंकि पिक्चर का नाम भी संकी है.
Sanki in a good way.
संकी in a
In
good
a
way.
good way, yeah. A little.
I'm much on weaponry. It's more like the character himself is a weapon in a way. So I think that's sort of what differentiates us, Sajid sir, I think, as an action genre.
Action is orthodox. Whenever he raises his hand, there's bound to have whistles. So I think that's the difference. Every 1, 2, 3 had an emotion, a reason where the audience feels go and hit. So till the time that thing comes out, then he delivers something else. So that level goes up.
Goes up. Definitely the level's going to be raised in Baghi 4. Guys, अपना Ronnie वापस आ रहा है. Can I please request the team of Baghi to take a picture?
सेंटर सर मेरे हो गया टाइगर
Thank you guys, thank you.
Thank you so much for gracing us with your presence. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Sajid. Thank you, Tiger.
so much.
Thank you.
So, now from action, Shreyas from the back, we link reference. Sanki in a good way.
ठीक है चलेगा.
He understood.
वेट कर ले.
Okay guys, thank you. Can we get a picture, a team picture please?
वरुण
Surya sir.
Thank you. Very good evening. So I always believe a phenomenal response, and then came Surarai Potra as a direct release. It was very new to us, but it crossed borders, languages, and it just penetrated everywhere. And We got 5 national awards for the film, and Jaideep came and completely state's law got amended with that film. So
I made so many films, Telugu, Tamil and Hindi as well, Nayak, Hindi and Hindustani, so many films. But I am most expecting in my career is the biggest film. So it is a period 17th century film. It is going to touch our culture.
Please.
Oh, that sizzle looks absolutely thrilling. I just want to know that how excited are you for people to watch this adventure in theaters and then later on Prime Video? How excited are you for people to watch this adventure in theaters?
Super excited, waiting for long for the audience to see this film. And it's a story of rebellion, honor, and sacrifice. And none other than a powerful star. Pawan Kalyan sir is playing that, and we are waiting. Yes, like all the audience, I'm also waiting to shoot.
How long, sir, did you take to shoot this?
come, you clearly know, because the universe makes it happen for you. From day one, the project, the shooting experience, it only got bigger and bigger thanks to my director Shiva sir and my producer Nyanvel to greenlight the project. And of course, can't do without my DOP, Vetri sir and Rockstar DSP there. So, Prime, and they did everything possible to reach that film everywhere, all the 3 films everywhere. With Ganguva, we will.
And I'm hoping this one gets a lot more awards and recognition and love. Thank you.
So, sir, but you missed one character in between.
My lord!
Lord Mobito, sir, we have to.
So the Line Universe started with that. So last, I think 15 days of shoot, we enjoyed with Lord here. And really,
What did he make you do, sir?
we fought.
Well, fought?
First day we had to fight with each other. But first day you feel that brotherhood, right? That was there. And this man came and made that happen for us. It was I would say like, he helped us to make it even bigger. The climax even bigger.
So he's making the Indian film industry.
टाइगर सर यहाँ पर टाइगर सर ये इधर है ना ये मेरा है थैंक यू सर नाइस गाइस थैंक यू पूरा इधर लेट आउट है
And why you stealing all my directors?
Oh no, not yet.
You're my inspiration.
That's a lie.
I want to be like you.
You're our inspiration.
No, I want to be like you.
No.
Give me your dad.
You give me your dad then. No, just kidding. I don't think there's a better actor than Abhishek Bachchan to play this role. Definitely, he's one of my favorites. Let's hear it for Abhishek Bachchan, guys. Sujit sir, Abhishek, we noticed that you didn't give out much. I know why that is, because Dada will not. He loves intriguing the audience. He loves keeping these things in the pocket. Why don't you all tell us what this...
For me, to work with Surya was always one of those dreams. He's an awesome, amazing actor.
I get the cast and the entire team of 3 here to just please have a picture.
हम लोग सेंटर में अरे या लोग या
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you guys, thank you.
Thank you, Dinesh. I request you to stay back.
Favorite. You have made that very apparent.
No, but I know she's not a robot. She behaves like one.
handled your favorite with a lot of care and a lot of love.
Thank you.
Just to hand her right back to you after I'm done.
I love her. But before I leave, I just want to do one dance. Because I am done now and I'm going to go.
But तू reverse कर रहा है.
But the event is going to be on.
नहीं पहले step एक से कर. ये right. Move the ass a little bit. Yeah, am I allowed to say that here? I'm sorry. Yeah, that's it.
But guys, can I have a picture with the...
अरे बाबा काम करो झगड़ा मत करो
Dinesh, respect. Dinesh ji, Amar, I have just one question for you. This supernatural universe that you all have created is only expanding now. Stree, Rohi, Bhedia, and now the big one, Stree 2. Is there a plan to create a film jai sab kuch saath mein aata hai? I can assure you it's going to be a laugh ride. But Dino with the vision.
Did you like the teaser?
I loved the teaser. Sizzle कैसा लगा सबको?
Time we're going to introduce a master villain.
Bigger villain.
Bigger villain.
हमारे पास यहाँ पे श्रद्धा कपूर जी है जो बहुत कम आती है बाहर। लाल गाड़ी में आज आई है ये इवेंट पे यहाँ पे। तो श्रद्धा मैंने भी इनके साथ एक फिल्म किया था, तो आप प्लीज़ वो फिल्म का एक गाना या कुछ गुनगुनाइए, फिर मैं आपको आपके फिल्म के हिसाब से एक रिप्लाई दूंगा। तो एक गाना था अपना बना ले अगर आप।
नहीं, आज सिर्फ स्त्री मोड में हूँ।
तो मैं स्त्री मोड में आपको जवाब दूंगा ना।
और मैं स्त्री हूँ तो मैं कुछ भी, वो स्त्री है तो वो कुछ भी कर सकती है।
हाँ।
तो आज गाना वाना
तो आप
नेक्स्ट टाइम कर लेंगे।
आप स्त्री नहीं हो?
वो अभी थोड़ा सस्पेंस में रखेंगे।
अरे इतना सस्पेंस बचपन में बता देना चाहिए था। नहीं, बट genuinely Shraddha, this is a big responsibility for you because after Stree 2 is coming and like we said कि ये स्त्री है, so how do you take this responsibility? What can your fans, what can audiences expect from this film from you?
I think I'll go back to, actually I'll come with my Stree gang. I'll go back to what Dino was saying, that this film has done so much for everybody involved. For me also as an actor, it came at a time where I had to be a part of a film and a story that I've never done before. Being a part of this film has been one of my most proud moments because I feel like what Dino and Amar have done, were on a subconscious level.
So we as actors only pretend to be daredevils on camera, but there are some who are. आपको क्या लगता है? Is there going to be a movie where all this comes together?
आपको क्या लगता है? लोग बोलते हैं आपको सबसे ज़्यादा मैडम की खबर है, तो आप बताओ।
मुझे तो सबसे ज़्यादा प्राइम वीडियो की खबर है, but बाद में बता। Right now, your fandom, like I say, is insane among everyone. I think very rarely you come across an actor where every person in the room wishes only well for him. I think very rarely that happens. The entire press. Thank you guys, thank you so much, and I bid you farewell, and I will not miss you all. I don't think so you all will miss me either. It's a two-way relationship, but I love you all. Actually done, right? Actually done. But I love you guys. Thank you Gaurav, thank you Sean.
So is Dino.
Bye.
No, Varun, you're not done.
I've got one more. Okay, sorry.
Varun, I've read the script, you're not done yet.
Some character.
I think I'm done, right?
Okay, some characters are so epic that they are literally from another epic.
It's truly epic, yeah. Our next title is an exciting, exhilarating saga about an immortal warrior.
A riveting fantasy and a grand vision.
I've been reading so much about this film, so I'm genuinely surprised and genuinely very,
I
very pleased.
have to tell you the truth. Varun just asked me off mic, ये तेरी picture है? मेरे को इसके बारे में कुछ पता ही नहीं है. We went there, the title got announced, he came back and he said, I've been looking forward to this film. I can't wait for this film. Guys, a round of applause for Varun Dhawan.